I think that LA has become somewhat of a laughing stock because what's happened with the Dodgers, one of the few things that really does identify Southern California when you think of Southern California, the McCourts, what's happening with their divorce, all the houses, all the statements made back and forth to each other. It's pretty ugly, and it also will have a direct impact on how well the Dodgers play because it involves money taken from one hand to pay the other hand, etc. Now, to clarify all of this, Stephen Mindel is with us.
He's got quite a job.
He's a family law attorney. You know, they always say, treat all these things, forget that they have 12 houses and all that money and all that debt, just like any other couple going through a divorce. Is it possible in this situation?
Impossible.
Okay.
Judge Gordon he's got the all-star team of lawyers, he's got the McCourts, he's got the newspapers, he's got re-elections. It's impossible to treat it as any other family.
Well, there's a 2-week hiatus now. Is there any hope that they will work this out?
Well, one would think that's the number one thing that you would think. This case right now looks like a jump ball to everybody. Everybody is going, it's a jump ball. You've got multiple documents, you've got all kinds of things, you've got all this testimony, and if there's a jump ball, Jamie McCourt wins.
What's a jump ball? I don't know that term.
Well, jump ball, you know, the ball's up in the air.
She'll get it.
Anybody can grab it.
Anybody can grab it.
I'm sorry, Steve. Let me take you back to a couple of the issues. One issue is who owns what. It's a big thing for Dodger fans to understand this. That there was an agreement signed that basically said that Jamie has all the houses, that 8 or 6 or 10 or whatever it is, houses, and that he has the Dodgers. And it's a way to protect their assets in the houses. If the Dodgers go bad, the houses are protected. She's saying, I would never agree to that. That's ridiculous. I would never agree.
Well, she said they did that in Massachusetts, but that's a community property state.
Same with California.
This is a community property.
But her thought was she would never then lose what she deemed to be community property, which is the Dodgers.
Well, the answer is going to be the documents. The documents themselves are different. One document says one thing, and then 3 documents say another thing.
Yeah, that's what seems crazy.
It's complicated.
And the whole idea that she's a lawyer and didn't read the fine print in this one aspect of it and signed it.
And a divorce attorney.
Well, you know, and that's one thing that people are saying right now, which is this is really unusual. You're dividing up a multi-million-dollar estate. Some people would say $1 billion estate. Why didn't they both have their own attorneys? It's amazing they had one attorney drafting the documents for both sides. It seems really strange.
Well, when you're in love, you do
they
that.
Have 11 attorneys.
No, but when you're in love, you do that. You don't think, okay, let's get our own attorneys. There's nothing romantic in that. Let's do this together.
But these are both business people. They're both sharp elbow business
love
people.
Makes you blind.
But let's go back to some basics here. The LA Dodgers, it's a private enterprise, but it's kind of a trust. Would you agree it's a public trust in a way here in Los Angeles?
We would consider it our team. Yeah. They're our team.
And I've often complained that I could not understand. I mean, the O'Malleys had it, and it was a love affair, it was a family thing. Our Fox people took it. Less said about that. Good, but they sold it to the
out-of-towners.
Out-of-towners in a city that has more money, more ego, more narcissism. How come nobody here bought it?
Yeah.
That's a huge question. And, you know, you would think that Jamie's got to be thinking to herself, if I can get past the post-marital agreement and I can make it open to buy between the two of them, maybe I could get a team of women together and buy the Dodgers. Maybe I could get Oprah Winfrey and I could get some big money women together and actually buy the team. You would have thought somebody in LA County would have had the same theory and they would have bought the team.
They could also leveraged.
Even if a couple from LA bought it, I mean, who's to say they're not going to get divorced?
Well, also, Jill, in this case, they took a mortgage out on the land, and they took a lot of money out of that mortgage and bought houses and houses and houses. That's probably legal, but Dodger fans are saying, look at the crummy payroll, look at the team you're putting out there.
Look at the ticket prices.
Look at what the
ticket prices are.
Yeah.
And then when you listen to Jamie's attorneys, they're saying, plenty of money to go around. Pay me $1 million a month in spousal support.
Hello.
And they're saying tons of money to go around. Dodger fans are going, that's our money. That's our ticket prices. That's our players.
It's a little like the Democrats and the Republicans in Congress when the polls run. Both are hated. Both of these people are extremely unpopular now in Los Angeles. Is there anything they can do to change that?
Are?
Yeah.
Well, I think clearly, you know, as Dorothy was saying, the number one thing is, can we reach a settlement? Is there some space that we can reach a settlement? And it's got to be the case that both sides are talking a lot right now at this point, because you've got the A-team on both sides. These guys settle their cases every day.
How much will the lawyers cost? Come on.
11 lawyers?
Come on, how much?
The good, clear estimate is around $20 million, somewhere between 9 and 10 million on each side of the table.
But they can
You get a good player with that money.
Well,
You can buy one good player.
Can they afford that? Because they're so leveraged. When you look at what it looks like, it's all kind of done with mirrors and things, right?
Well, as we call it sudden income deficiency syndrome. We call it SIDS. All of a sudden, when somebody gets divorced, there's sudden income deficiency. But I think ultimately these people have plenty of money. They've got access to capital.
Will they have to sell?
That's a good question. And ultimately, I think that Frank McCourt's got to look at this thing and say, even if he wins the team, can he really sustain it?
Right.
And chances are it's going to be like the San Diego Padres, and he's going to end up selling it.
Exactly what happened with the Padres. All right, Stephen, thank you. Stephen Mindel.
Thank you.
See you. Next, what do we have coming up here?
Thanks.
He's already gone. I love it.
What do you
That's
want?
the first guess he's already
Are you kidding me?
Excuse me, are you on the clock? Are you on the clock right now?
Must-haves coming up next.
All right,
Don't breathe on me. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
What, $300 an hour, 500?
Whale watching.
For
Well, on a
these attorneys,
paddleboard.
$850.
We'll show you.
Not too bad.